This works right. All right, so let's see, I had my original triangle and I folded vertices to the center and vertex to the center, and vertex to the center. I got this hexagon. And I can see that this hexagon here looks like 6 little equilateral triangles, and I'm going to trace them in here. I'm just going to draw those in, coming around. Trace, trace, trace. And then I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to trace those folds that I made to make that happen. And when I do that, what I should see is that my original triangle is now broken into these 6 equilateral triangles in the middle, plus 1, 2, 3 around the edge, so there's 9 altogether. So now I can see that the hexagon is 6/9 of the original triangle. Sweet.